Hello, my pre-algebra muffins. I hope you guys are having a great week at home and staying safe and healthy. I just wanted to kind of pop on here for a minute and just kind of go over a couple of reminders that I had for you through via video. So I'm trying something new. So a couple of just reminders. Don't forget to be checking the website. I put an official link in the classwork section so that way you have easier access instead of scrolling through. It might actually be a great idea if you took that website and bookmarked it so that way you were able to come back to it whenever you had the chance or needed to look at something. So keep a look at that. The review notes are on each section. So under each tab at the top of the website, it has some notes that some other members of the CT came up with. So if you click on them, it'll give you some notes. I've also sent those notes via email to your parents so they have an extra copy as well. You can be working on any of the Unit 1 through 7 cards. I finished all the rest of them yesterday, so it goes all the way up to angles, what we finished with right before we left for break. And please make sure that if you haven't done any of your missing assignments from quarter 3, they're definitely still able to be worked on. You want to work on those sooner rather than later. I'm not really sure how the end of the quarter is going to go, but I'm sure we'll have updates soon. So it would definitely be worth your time. Remember to stay safe. Also try to remember schedule an academic time daily. I really miss you. I know all of your teachers do too. And I hope you have a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you next week during our Blackboard Collaborate sessions on Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Okay. Have a great weekend.